Most people think when they chat with an LLM, there is only one message, the question they type. But internally, an LLM conversation is not just one message, it is divided into different roles. One message tells the AI what the user wants, one message is the AI reply, and one hidden message can completely control how the AI behaves. That hidden instruction is called the system message. Let me show you this visually using the OpenAI playground. To understand different message types, I have opened the OpenAI playground. This is a great way to visualize how LLMs actually process conversation. So let's start with a simple prompt. So let me enter explain threads, right? Explain threads. So this is the user input. You can see the label, right? This is the actual input coming from the user. So this is called a user message, right? Now the response generated by the AI, you can focus on this label, which is assistant. So the response generated by the AI, that becomes the assistant message, the complete explanation, right? And together these form a conversation. Now let me define the behavior of the AI using a system message, right? Let me write a prompt, which is you are a Java expert who answers only Java related questions. If someone asks anything outside Java, you politely refuse with a bit of humor, right? Now let me ask let me ask wo- tell me about tell me about Python, right? And see the now let's and now see the output, right? the ai the AI follows the behavior defined in the system message. It simply refuse. So I am Java only today. Python questions are outside my lane, and I don't want to get bitten by a stray snake, right? So that's the power of message types, right? So again, I am repeating, system message defines the behavior of the AI, right? User message is the actual input from the user. Assistant message, the response generated by the AI, right? Now let's go back to the code and define the system behavior. We have already discussed what system messages do, right? So it explicitly control the behavior of the AI. So now let's apply it here. To save some time, I have already defined it in my code. Let me run the code and call the API using Postman. So let me run it. So I can simply execute this command. Now my system is up and running. So let me execute the API. So now let me write, tell me about Python, right? And let's wait for a few seconds because it's interacting with the LLM behind the scene. So now you can see Python a great language, but I'm here to help you with Java. It's like asking a chef about a different restaurant menu while they are preparing a garment Java disk. If you have any Java related question, feel free to ask, right? Now I hope you understood this concept. So to summarize, what we have learned in this video is: first, prompt is simply instruction we give to LLM. Second, better prompts is equal to better output. Third, LLM works with structured message. Fourth, system message, user message, assistant message combined define the conversation with the LLM, right? So understanding this is critical before moving to advanced topics like memory, embeddings, or RAG. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps me to create more content like this.